Do you want to see how we get a Toyota Ram 5500 unstuck?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so we loaded the dumper with some rubble that we will use for traction, and in a couple of months, we will use it to fix the road, as you will see later in the video. Oops, the camera fell. Thankfully, it didn't break, and I found it.
Oh, that was scary. That was close.
This is the road that we will fix in a couple months. I have to drive on top of some holes. I will show them later in the video. Now, it's time to tie the rope. We used 4 rows of 3/8 inch rope. And if you can see, the car truck slid of the road, which is why we are pulling it upwards. Now, it's time to pull and see if this Toyota will come out. Oh, nice. This is coming the out. Oh, well, I think we are done, so it's time to roll up the rope. Now, we're gonna dump the ruble to the side of the road that we are gonna fix in a few months. And this is the road that we are gonna fix. And the one that I was talking about earlier in the video, there's very deep holes, and they are about 1 foot deep. So if your vehicle falls in, it will at least get stuck. am gonna enter the dumper now. And Ricky is gonna enter the tractor because we used it to load the ruble. The muffler on the tractor was garbage, so we straight piped it. I also made a throttle pedal to make it sound good. And no, there won't be a video on that.
No, I hate you.
It just had the fuel light on. The fuel light was on.
Turn it off. Bang, bang, bang. Go bang, bang. Nice. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, the glue hasn't dried. How is it locked?